Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this whole magic right here.
Yo, Clever Day, one Danny Young, Chris Banton, Castle Production. So we are telling
I'm rocking a 613 blonde, and normally I'm not the type to rock 613 blonde. Like, they always get me a little bit scared because, as you all can see, it's really light. But ever since I discovered how to really get your 613 blonde frontal to look somewhat realistic, I've been loving, you know, wearing a 613 blonde. Like, this right here is giving me so much life. This actually is now my favorite blonde wig because this, it's not too dark, and also I don't like wearing my 613 blonde wig all like blonde, you know, without tinting the frontal. This hair is provided by Beaufox hair, and I have on their Brazilian body wave virgin human hair in 2 bundles of 22 inches, one 20-inch and a 20-inch matching less frontal. This right here is so luscious, and also it's really like, it's very voluminous. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so here we are. I'm going to show you guys how to change all this white looking lace and knots on your blonde frontals, and this takes not less than 5 minutes to do. Also, for the hair, I will show you how to perfectly tint your frontal hair without it looking too dark or off from the rest of the blonde color. So first thing to do is comb the hair to make sure there are no tangle or knots whatsoever, and then after that we're going to spray some got to be glued on the lace to make sure no dye or color gets to the scalp. You don't want the color to transfer to the scalp of the frontal because it will make it look very bad and off. So once I'm done spraying, I like to cool dry for a minute or two and then prepare to tint the frontal. You guys, this is how the frontal looks without tinting, and as you all can see, it doesn't really flatter me that well. So all we're going to need to make this look a lot better is Adore 107 dye in mocha. This is just the perfect color to tint or bleach your blonde frontal with, and for this I'm using the watercolor method. I will add 1 teaspoon of the dye into a boil of water. This is about 2 full cups of water, and then mix them thoroughly. You want to make sure you mix it so well so you don't end up having lumps of color under your water. Like, this mess up my frontal so many times. And then after that, I would then begin to dip the lace part of the frontal into the water. I use the bag to cover the rest of the hair to avoid the color getting onto my hair. You want to be careful doing this. All we want is to tint only about 2 inches of the hair. You don't want to dip too many hair into the water because the dye will get on a lot of the hair, which wouldn't look cute. All we need is to leave it for about 2 minutes and then take it right out. The longer you leave the hair, the more it will bleach, so be very careful. And then after that, I will wash it off with a neutralizing shampoo, and voila! So here we are. I'm going to go ahead and install it, and I went ahead and made it into a wig. You guys, this really do look good. I love this color I chose for the tinting because, like, it's not too dark. Look how shiny this wig looks. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to use my got to be glued spray, and this actually does a better job for me than the gel. Like, I absolutely love this one for gluing down my wig. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this and spray all over the front part of my hair. What kind of bird is that? It's like, what time is it? 8:27, and there's a bird outside. Holy Ghost! Fire! You know, Niger, of course. What kind of bird is that? Look at that. Immediately I said Holy Ghost fire, it left. Holy Ghost fire! I'm going to use my coiling wand, and this one is from Curtis International. It's been like almost 7 years since I had this coiling wand, so I'm going to use this barrel.
sitting by the corner, thinking every day you don't even bother. Yeah. Since then we've been love, we've been chatting, we've been flexing, we've been whining, we've been dining. She came from my way.
I'm going to define my pattern with my setting powder. This will just help make it look really, really defined. And yeah, you guys, this is all there is to this video. Like, this is exactly the way I love to tint my blonde wigs, so that, you know, it will look natural, but then it's not like too overpowering. As you all can see, like this color I used to tint the frontal looks so good with the wig. And yeah, you guys, I really do love the quality of this wig right here. Yeah, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna link every info regarding Beaufox hair in my description box, so definitely try and check that out. Like, if you want to invest in good quality hair, definitely check out this company, because I love, you know, the way their hair is so luscious and it's very, very full. Yeah guys, I hope you all enjoyed, and please don't forget to hit that like button below, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And till my next video, I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.
Tell you again.